Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an iPhone trick. So this trick is to magnify a screenshot on iPhone. So first you screenshot and then you press the pencil icon and then you press the plus button there and then press magnifier. So now you see that you can see the screenshot more clear. So you can also adjust your magnifier by pressing the green button there, and then you can also change the magnifier by pressing there, and then so just adjust, for example, what you want to see or what you want to enlarge. So that's it for today. I hope it's useful and thank you for watching.